In this video, we'll look at how you can use the AI custom preset feature inside your WordPress site. First, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. Select WP Dark Mode, then go to Settings and click on Customization. Inside Color Settings, choose the AI Custom Preset tab from the top menu. From there, simply enter a prompt inside the box describing the style you need. After typing your prompt, click on Generate Colors. The AI will instantly generate 3 different color palettes based on your request. Select the one that suits you best and give your new custom color preset a name. You can further optimize these palettes by tweaking the body colors, text and link colors, input field colors, and button colors. You can see all these changes in real time in the preview section to the immediate right. You can also turn on Enable Dark Mode on scroll bar and customize those colors as well. Once you're happy with all the adjustments you've made, go ahead and click on Save Changes. Now, let's check the front end to see how it looks. Let's reload the website and click the Dark Mode toggle. As you can see, Dark Mode is now active. The buttons, links, and all other elements are perfectly aligned with the changes we just made. Let's take a look at the product pages. As you can see, the Dark Mode theme is applied perfectly. Finally, let's look at a single product page. Everything is working absolutely fine. It really is that easy and simple. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section or reach out to our support team.